Hi fans, I went to Dollar Tree today trying to get my pantry together for emergency. I live in earthquake country, the state of California. Nice to have some plastic plates. I got a can of sweet potatoes. I can eat that. Put it in a bowl. Pork and beans. Uh, sloppy joes. I can eat this cold. If it's an earthquake, there won't be no power. Chicken with rice. Then it had no big bottles of water. So I got some I got the small bottles. It's okay. I'll go to another Dollar Tree or check out some other stores. But at least I got the ball rolling, stock up on my pantry for emergency. I got a flashlight. I just have to get some batteries for it, or a light or something. So the most important things to have is canned goods and water, and emergency kit. I didn't see no emergency kit at the Dollar Tree. It's okay, there's other stores to go to. Okay, this is the beginnings of stocking up. So it looks like I have to go to different stores. It's okay. So that's a little update. Until next time.